Kirti Murgunde, Dhyan Chand Awardee and international badminton player. ಗ್ರಾಮೋತ್ಸವದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸದ್ಗುರುಜಿ. 15 ಇಯರ್ಸಿಂದ ಕೊಯಮತ್ತೂರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್. And in the growing years, I'm sure they're going to pick it up. Slowly, this sort of awareness is very, very important, and I'm glad that we are reaching out to our rural. I think our strength is very much in the rural, villages and everywhere, because there are times when naturally I feel they are very strong. Some of them, I think with respect to the abilities and all, they are far better. But only thing they need is the support, the motivation, and little bit of fine tuning is what they require. I think that it's a good initiative which is encouraging them to get into it and coming out and playing. The only harm thing what it can do is better your health. So it's I think it's my I would say it's a message, or rather an urge to all of them to kindly support all the women, especially in the rural areas, to get into a sport. Even if they are able to come out and do the physical activity for half an hour, nothing like it. That's the best medicine for life, and without any chemicals at all, I would say. And especially women, I would emphasize more on, because traditionally we are known as more into homemaking and just looking after, but they also need to get out. They need to it helps them as a female also for their body and everything. So that is very important. And again, for everybody, even the men have to start getting into it. It will help them for their other professional activities also. And once again, I would like to thank for inviting me for this wonderful event. And I wish them luck to have many more successful such events, and slowly it spreads across India.
Thank you.
ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸದ್ಗುರುಜಿ. ಕೊಯಮತ್ತೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ 15 ಇಯರ್ಸಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕನಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್
ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾಗಲಿದೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ವರ್ಗದವರು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಹತ್ರ
ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್.
2 1 go.
All can change the world.
A ball can change the world. Okay? A ball can change the world. Yes.
ಈ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲಿಂದ
ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಬೇರೆ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸಿಂಗ್.
ನೋಡಪ್ಪ
ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಹತ್ರ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ come and participate more and more. We need more of this. Am I right? So all the best to everyone. Have a wonderful time. Enjoy. At the same time, be slightly competitive also. Oh, thank you. But over the period of time, this is what has, made me ready. And I'm here now presenting in all my experience. Please feel free to reach out to me. I'm happy to share with you. And once again, thank you for inviting me to this wonderful event. Initiative like this